number 4. Good luck. Good luck. Steve Young, base. AJ Green, base. Kurt Warner, base. Oh, Nate. Here comes Jameis Winston over the hill. Look at the sickness on that patch. 19/25 for you, brother. Boom! That is just a nasty patch. Woohoo! Wowza. After that, you're taking the last one? Alright, brother. That is a cool, sick patch, dude. Hey, there's some more. Let me put that bad boy in protection first. Gets you a high 5.5. Very nice. Alright. Nate, here you go. Finish it up. Finishing up museum, guys. Thanks a lot. Got that baseball feed going. Hopefully we can get some nice baseball going. Good luck. Le'Veon Bell, 47/60. Gurley base. Have a hug from that Flacco base. A hug from the amount of Flaccos that you have. Rivers base. And then a nice little RPA. Matthews. 200/300. The redhead Max Williams haunts you, brother. Congrats, guys. Thanks a bunch. Nate, thanks for closing us out.